Say, look how big I am. I don't even fit on my diaper changing table very well. Yeah. Who's a cutie? Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Are you waving? Say hi. Where's your belly? I'm gonna get your belly. I'm gonna get your belly. I'm gonna get you. What are you doing? Can you tell us all about it? Other than holding onto your feet? Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Really? Really? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. We are very ticklish. We are very ticklish. How big is Hank? How big are you? How big are you? Are you so big? I'm so big. Should we change your diaper and put your jammies on? Yeah, I think so. Should we change your diaper? Should we change your diaper? Really? You want jammies on? Should we put jammies on? Yeah. Should we put jammies on? Alright. Say night night. Say night night. Check out all my scratches. Can't really see them. Alright, night night. Say bye bye.